Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of the Islamic community, I would like to welcome each and one of you to the Eid al-Fitr function at my new home. Thank you very much for coming over. Before we start today's program, I will have Brother Yasin Abu Yasin from the Syrian community. He has studied Arabic in Islamiyat in Lebanon, and he will address in Arabic on behalf of the Syrian community. Before we take this program further. Jazakallah. Just for your information, brothers and sisters, we're having a live coverage on 105.3 FM, and please bear with us with the program. Jazakallah.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر